Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 SSD. Now this uses the latest VNAND technology, sequential read speeds of up to 3500 Mbps and sequential write speeds of 3300 Mbps, and it's powered by the latest Samsung Phoenix controller. So let's begin with the unboxing. Here we have the 1 TB variant of the 970 EVO Plus, and it's the M.2 factor. On the back we see some of the usual marketing information, including the speeds and everything. It's a fairly simple package considering that M.2 SSDs are really small. Let's start by opening up the package. It's just kept in place with one seal at the top. With that out of the way, we can now extract the inner packaging. Now this is basically a clamshell with the SSD right up in front. As you can see, it's a 1 TB variant. And let's try opening it up further. And here we have the 970 EVO Plus SSD. There seems to be something else underneath the package. We'll get to that in a while. Let's take a look at the SSD itself. Now on the top you have the sticker label. Please do not remove this because this also acts as a copper heatsink. On the bottom you have another sticker with some extra information. Now let's get back to the packaging. There seems to be one more piece of material underneath this, and it's the quick start guide as well as the warranty information. Now the warranty information is specific to nations and the vendors that you buy the SSD from. So please do check the document clearly to understand the actual warranty terms for your purchase. As you can see, it's fairly standard, nothing out of the ordinary. Whoa! And you have one little leaflet here that you can download the Samsung Magician tool to get more out of your SSD, as it's the all-rounder tool for managing your SSD as well as upgrading the firmware. That's about it. Fairly brief unboxing of the Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe SSD. Thank you for watching.